Okay, new for YouTube. This is what come in the mail today. My chopper. What you hiding for? Oh, they did put the saddlebags in there. Well, it's wrapped up in there pretty good. There's the saddlebags that go over the rack. They're pretty nice. All right, had to dig this out. I think it's the seat. Let's see. There's the directions. There's the battery. It's a battery charger. Pretty good. But everybody was talking about their derailleur, and I just noticed something they did down here. If you can see that little piece of plastic, that was pretty smart of electric on that one. Now hold on while I try to get this thing out of the box. All right, now we're gonna have a little bit of film magic. As soon as I snap my fingers, this bike's gonna be put together. And right there's my new electric step through. No dents, everything looks aligned. Just gotta go get some air in the tires. And as you can see, right there's the bike. And this is it's on the top bunk in a T680. That's where I got it put at. Got my net down over it. Now let's get this thing out, get everything on it, and let's ride. Okay, right there's my electric bicycle. It folds in half right there. It's an electric XP from Electric Bikes. It was packaged real well. Right now I'm content with it. So now we're going to take off on it. But that's what it looks like. Let me raise my seat and we'll get ready to go. Alright, we got the dash paddle up, there we go. Got plenty of energy when we play with it at the house. But you can see Levi got her out. She ain't going near the bicycle. She has nothing to do with this. As you can tell by the size of it. What do you think about the bike, Levi? Levi, what do you think about this? There it is. There's Levi. Ain't got nothing to do with it. All right, we're going. There's 16 miles an hour, 17, 18, 19. Woohoo, we're moving. There's 16. Look over there, there's Levi looking at me go by. Shoo! I run at about 20 mile, 19.8. Brakes are pretty quiet. Right over there's where we dropped that. I'll be walking Levi over here in a minute. There we go. The new mode of transportation. You see Levi in the mirror? See Levi when we go by. She's totally confused. Alright, right there's the border wall. If I don't get killed getting over there. Right there it is. Down here. Ooh, didn't make it up that hill. Right there's the border wall. We're running down here 10 miles an hour. Alright. I'll be back in a minute. Alright, there's my phone charger. 5 miles. It's almost back up to a half a bar. Yeah, almost. I got 5 miles on. Okay. There's back up there. And right there's what the temperature is outside. Well, it was 100. Now it's dropped down to 99.